In this video, we are going to cover the reflection of light. When a light ray is reflected off a reflecting surface, it follows certain rules called the laws of reflection. Before we cover these laws, we shall go through the basics. The light ray which falls on a reflecting surface is called the incident ray, and the point which it falls on is known as the point of incidence. The ray which gets reflected back is known as the reflected ray, and the imaginary line which is perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence is known as the normal. The angle created by the normal and the incident ray is called the angle of incidence, and the angle created by the normal and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. The laws of reflection are as follows. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, and the incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane. These laws of reflection are followed by all reflecting surfaces. Now we are going to cover spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors, concave and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors are mirrors which are curved inwards or cave inwards, and convex mirrors are the mirrors which are curved outwards. Concave and convex mirrors are parts of a sphere, and the center of the sphere is called the center of curvature. The center of the reflecting surface of the spherical mirrors is called the pole, and the line joining the center of curvature to the pole is known as the principal axis. The point which lies at the center of the principal axis is called the principal focus. And finally, the diameter of the reflecting surface of the mirror is known as the aperture. Concave mirrors are also called converging mirrors because the light rays traveling parallel to the principal axis converge or meet at the focus. On the other hand, convex mirrors are also called diverging mirrors because the light rays traveling parallel to the principal axis diverge or move away from each other and appear to be emerging from the focus. When a light ray falls on a spherical mirror, the line joining the center of curvature to the point of incidence is called the normal. Light rays follow certain rules while getting reflected off spherical mirrors. These are as follows. Light rays parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus in the case of concave mirrors or appear to diverge from the focus in case of convex mirrors. Light rays passing through the focus in the case of concave mirrors or light rays directed towards the focus in the case of convex mirrors will get reflected back parallel to the principal axis. Light rays passing through or appearing to pass through the center of curvature get reflected back along the same path. And finally, light rays falling on the pole of the mirror get reflected obliquely along the principal axis. That is it for this video. Be sure to comment the topics you would like to see covered in future videos. Click that subscribe button and check us out on Instagram at inspire.edonline to learn something new every day.